don't know what I would do though. I figured one day,
Yeah.
if we wanted to start one like you and I,
Yeah.
you know a good name for it though.
What's that?
It'd be like just like our channel would just be like all guy stuff,
Oh yeah.
but we'd call it Jay and Dan's man or like man cave or whatever.
Oh okay. Something cool, yeah. Something catchy.
Whoa,
Whoa, lightning.
that was like 4.
Wow.
That was like.
Oh wow. That's pretty loud. Oh. Oh.
Holy shit, that's loud.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Thunder. Thunderstruck. You've been thunderstruck. Damn. The after effects. Dun dun dun.
Well, it's pretty much gone now.
Yeah, almost.
It's pretty much the end of storms.
Yeah.
It's
We're
not
like,
really rain
yeah.
now.
we should try to put like funny
There's
shit.
more lightning.
If we make a YouTube channel, we should probably try to get like funny stuff on there, you know?
Yeah, like all kinds of different stuff is lightning.
Right.
Like get